What is up, my beautiful, beautiful, wonderful Belgium people? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So, to all my new subscription, I have a question I want to ask you all. Do anybody in Belgium know of this man called Bob Marley? Yes, this man in the background displaying here. Do any one of you all know him, or do any one of you all know Usain Bolt? Please let me know. It's a fun fact question. So I'm back again in Belgium, where Mustii will do a acoustic live. I have known the song, I have known what he can do, but I want to hear him on this acoustic live. Well, so oh yes, and thank you for accepting me back in Belgium. You guys are so cool, you guys are so beautiful. Everyone is showing so much support, and I respect you all so much. The love that I'm getting from the Belgium people, wow, it's a lot. And I gotta say, I gotta show my appreciation back to you all with another reaction to Mustii. It's called Before the Party's Over Live Acoustic. So guys, without further ado, let's see what's up. Let's see how well Mustii will do this acoustic live right now. Let's see what's up. Let's take a walk over there. Peace out.
Oh, we chase is shining in the moonlight.
Bro. Hey. Whoa. Whoa. I've never heard this before, but what I'm hearing thus far, it's mind-blowing.
Are we sure the kids are alright? Just playing it cool.
Bro, his voice is amazing. Oh my god, bro. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Watch it fade. It's gonna hurt from time to time.
Oh my, bro. What a talented guy. Whoa. It's official. It's really official. I mean, like, this is just a guitar here in the background playing, bro. And he sound so amazingly. Bro. He's a goat, bro. He's a goat, bro. Belgians, you guys are the best. Ah! Music is just lovely in Belgium, to be honest.
One more drink and I'll be fine. You're the living proof.
Whoa. So calm, so peaceful, so relaxing. Soulful music, bro. Book up, bro. You all are just so built for this. You are just so mind blowing. Oh my, bro, damn.
Are you still playing the game? I'm breaking the rules.
Oh yo, no, bro, no, ain't no way, ain't no way. All right. This is the official voice of this man, bro. I've heard the song, but the acoustic makes it more, bro. It makes it more better, bro. Now you know that we have talented people out there, bro. I mean, like, damn, bro, this sounds so good. It sounds so good. I just can't go around the fact, but it sounds so good.
I can see all the pain in the way that you move.
Oh my god, bro. Look up, bro. Amazing. Oh my god, bro. Yo. He sound so amazing. is really amazing. It's astoundingly good, bro. Damn, yo. Bro, sound so cool.
Face to face, they told us it was paradise, but I'll barely make it through the night. Do you think about it too?
Wow. Wow. Marvelous. Look up. Look up. Look up, bro. This is marvelous. His voice is marvelous.
Are you still playing the game? On breaking the rules, I can see all the pain in the way that you move.
Oh my god! Oh my goodness! Whoa! This is so cool, bro. Damn! Whoa! Wonderful music, bro. Wonderful music. I'm speechless right now to hear you sing, bro. Why am I behaving like this, bro? Like, oh fuck it. Look up, look up, look up.
In the way that you move, I got a soul on fire. I'm gonna make moves tonight. I got a soul on fire.
Bro, 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 bro. Come on, man. You're doing so good, my G. Yo, the way he calms it down. You got a soul on fire. Oh my god, bro. The one beat drop there is so cool. That note is so cool, bro.
I'm gonna raise roofs tonight. I got a soul on fire. I'm gonna make moves tonight.
Whoa, you got my soul on fire. We're gonna make moves tonight. Then you just hear another beat coming. Bro, it's so sick.
I got a soul on fire before the party's over. Before the party's over.
Look out, bro. Oh my god, bro. This is dope. This is dope, bro. This is a angel level voice, bro. Damn.
Before the party's over. Before the party's over.
Bro, incredible voice, bro. Look, rigigi, blah, blah.
Before the party's over. Before the party's over.
This is so authentic, bro. It is so authentic. It's so realistically true, bro. I love it. I love it.
Before the party's over. Before the party's over.
Rock on, bro. Rock on. Look out. Beep. Ah! Damn. Outstanding. Outstanding, guys. The Belgian supporters. You guys are so incredible. Bro, I love it. I love it. Mustii, you've done a superb job. And I gotta say, a solid 12 for me. Well, if you guys did like this reaction, please don't forget to leave a like on this video. Smash a subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video. probably in the finals or the semi-finals. I'm not sure, but regardless of that, I'll see you there. Peace.